Can soft-coated Wheaten Terriers be trained for sheepdog trials? When it comes to the world of sheepdog trials, certain dog breeds immediately come to mind. Border Collies, Australian Shepherds, and German Shepherds are usually the first breeds that pop into our heads when we think of these highly skilled and well-trained dogs. However, there may be more to sheepdog trials than what meets the eye. Could soft-coated Wheaten Terriers also be trained for sheepdog trials? Soft-coated Wheaten Terriers, or simply Wheatens, are known for their cuddly appearance and friendly nature. They are medium-sized dogs with a distinctive silky coat that can come in various shades of wheaten. Originally from Ireland, these dogs were bred to be versatile farm dogs with skills ranging from herding to guarding. While Wheatens were not specifically bred for herding sheep like Border Collies or Australian Shepherds, they still possess some herding instincts. These instincts, combined with their intelligence and agility, make them potentially suitable for sheepdog trials. However, training a Wheaten for such an intense and demanding sport requires time, patience, and consistency. The first step in training a soft-coated Wheaten Terrier for sheepdog trials is to establish a foundation of basic obedience. Before one can navigate the intricate world of sheep herding, the dog must first master essential commands such as sit, stay, come, and heel. These obedience skills serve as a solid base for further training and control over the dog. Next, the Wheaten's natural herding instincts need to be honed and refined. While Wheatens may not have centuries of breeding for herding purposes, their genetic predisposition to herd can still be utilized. Introducing the dog to sheep in a controlled and supervised environment is essential to assess their interest and aptitude for herding. If the Wheaten shows a keen interest and displays natural herding behaviors, then training can progress further. One important aspect of training soft-coated Wheaten Terriers for sheepdog trials is to expose them to different types of livestock. While sheep may be the primary focus, it is beneficial to introduce the dog to other animals such as cattle or ducks. This exposure helps the dog develop a well-rounded understanding of herding dynamics and prepares them for different scenarios they may encounter during trials. Building on their foundation of obedience and herding abilities, Wheatens can start learning more advanced commands specific to sheepdog trials. Tasks such as gathering the sheep, driving them through a course, and directing them accurately all require precise commands and tight control over the dog. With consistent training, patience, and positive reinforcement, Wheatens can learn to adapt to the complexities of sheepdog trials. It is important to note that training soft-coated Wheaten Terriers for sheepdog trials may not be as straightforward as it is with breeds specifically bred for this purpose. Their natural instincts may need more guidance and reinforcement compared to Border Collies or Australian Shepherds. However, the intelligence, friendliness, and adaptability of Wheatens make them capable of excelling in various dog sports, including sheepdog trials. In conclusion, while soft-coated Wheaten Terriers may not be the first breed that comes to mind when thinking of sheepdog trials, they can indeed be trained for this demanding sport. With a solid foundation of obedience, honing their natural herding instincts, exposure to different types of livestock, and learning advanced commands, Wheatens can be prepared to take on the challenges of sheepdog trials. With patience, consistency, and the right training approach, these cuddly and friendly dogs can surprise us with their capabilities in the world of sheep herding.